Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading Corporation. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Paul O. Abbe jar mill with a stainless steel milling jar you see there. It has operates on 120 volt, is on that really nice stainless steel stand. It's bolted to the stand. It operates on a half horsepower DC drive by Baldor, which is 90 volt. Of course, it has a variable speed control you see right here. I'm going to turn that speed up a little bit for you. Corresponding is, of course, the tachometer with it. The rolls are rubber coated, 2-inch in diameter, 24 inches in length. They will move from a 5 1/4 to 10 1/4 centers, accommodate different size jars. You can see the one is fixed and one is slotted. You see here forward closest to you. On each side, you can move that for different size jars. The unit is sold with some stainless steel round grinding media and the drum you see there. We do have 2 of these in our stock. We also have everything in processing and packaging, so we do hope you visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.